given area for a given period of time. It is subject to rigorous...
Ano?
Ano naman?
Blah, 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 blah.
It is subject to rigorous procedure of community involvement, consultation, and independent examination to ensure that the economic, environmental, and social effects of the plan are in line with sustainable. Sustainable development targets. The development plan guides and informs the day-to-day decisions of local or national authorities to ensure that their decisions are rational and consistent with it. The decision must be considered against the development plan adopted, and this material consideration indicates other.
Okay, read it.